My name is Levi Matthews, and I'm a member of the Tennessee Bridge Associates team that is working in coordination with TDOT. Our project lead is Stephanie Wallace, and our mentor is Jennifer Pollard. We are currently working on replacing an existing bridge on State Route 347 in Hawkins County. The bridge's design lifespan is coming to an end, and the project will restore and improve current infrastructure. Our team will now go into depth on the technical engineering services performed to design this bridge.
My name is Tyler Brooks, and I am in charge of the transportation portion of this project. So far, we've worked to complete a design of a new horizontal alignment and vertical profile for the road segment containing the bridge. These new alignments have been designed to stay as close to the existing alignments as possible. However, the existing alignments were not built to standards, so we're currently working on to match our alignments to the given TDOT and AASHTO standards by adjusting the geometries.
My name is Nabil Jawani, and I'm responsible for the construction and transportation portions of the project. We have designed a detour route around the bridge because we are closing the existing roadway for construction. The detour ensures that the travel of the local residents may continue without the accessibility of the bridge. We have also finalized the super elevations of the bridge and began to map out the appropriate signage and pavement markings according to TDOT standards.
I'm responsible for the structural aspects of this bridge. We have created a schematic design for a single-span concrete bridge with bold T54 beams and a concrete deck. The bridge will have two 10-foot travel lanes and a widened 4-foot shoulder.
Hi, my name is Zachary Nieves, and I am responsible for the geotechnical aspects of this project. Due to classification of the surrounding area as an archaeological site, there are limited methods for developing the soil properties for the project. Thus, soil data was compiled from the USDA's Web Soil Service. The soil data will be used to calculate pavement subgrades, develop bearing resistances, and design an effective foundation for the bridge abutments.
I'm Thomas Peplow, and I'm responsible for the hydrological aspects of this project. Using the TDOT drainage manual and existing hydrology information, we will analyze the drainage of this site to design roadway ditches and erosion prevention and sediment control measures.
My name is Maggie Poland, and I oversee the pavement design for this project. We are using the TDOT pavement design guidelines to select binder and aggregates for an adequate pavement mix. The goal is to create a pavement mix that can tie into the existing mix on the road.
My name is Tanner Marshall, and I'm in charge of various aspects for construction management for this project. As design progresses, we will continue to use design information to tabulate material quantities to provide an estimated budget for this project.
When developing the built environment for communities around the world, TBA recognizes the importance of considering external challenges and factors beyond the direct specifications of the project. TBA acknowledges restoring and improving urban infrastructure as vital to the Hawkins County Bridge Replacement Project. TBA also addresses global, cultural, social, environmental, and economical considerations through their design. Project limits will be kept to a minimum to protect surrounding historical property and reduce potential negative construction impacts on the community. In addition to work beyond this specification, the project allowed our teams to work on teamwork, communication, and other professional skills. TBA values the guidance provided by the ASC body of knowledge to develop professional skills necessary to become a competent engineer. We've been able to effectively communicate ideas between group members and develop sustainable design solutions for our project deliverables.